Bonjour et bienvenue dans ce nouveau Ciné Clip Clap. Il fait froid et c'est le moment de se rendre au cinéma. Voici ce que je vous propose. C'est parti.
Did you sleep with me?
Jeez, God!
Every morning since I met you.
Something that happened to me a long time ago. Thanks, I'm Tintin, by the way.
Haddock. Archibald Haddock.
On est loin des Dents de la Mer de Steven Spielberg avec Shark 3D, le nouveau film de l'équipe qui s'amuse à nous horrifier depuis quelques années avec entre autres la série des Hostels. Comme dans toutes les bonnes séries B d'épouvante, de jeunes adultes beaux comme des dieux vont se faire dévorer les uns après les autres dans un cadre paradisiaque par une bande de requins redoutables, affamés et déterminés. Uniquement si vous aimez ce genre de sport, allez voir le film.
We are going up to Lake Crosby to Sarah Houseke's house.
Are you ready for the lake? Room for one more?
Yeah, totally.
Cool. Good boy.
Oh.
You guys have fun back there.
Not quite what we had in mind. Let's rock it out.
Your house is on an island?
Oh, it's gonna be a good weekend. You wanna hit that, huh? Your secret's safe with me, man. Saltwater lake. I don't know how the hell they got in here. Maybe someone put them there.
What is this, some kind of sick game?
Bertrand Bonello est un réalisateur de l'autre cinéma, celui qui ose. Avec Apollonide, le film qu'il vient de réaliser sur l'univers des maisons closes du début du XXe siècle, il ressuscite une époque à sa manière. À noter que Bertrand Bonello est également comédien et qu'il compose ses propres musiques de films. Il sait tout faire et comme réalisateur, il a le sens de l'image et de l'esthétique.
T'as quel âge maintenant?
16 ans.
Pourquoi tu veux venir ici?
Pour être indépendante, être libre.
Pour être libre. On est dans une maison close ici, la liberté c'est dehors, c'est pas ici.
J'aime profondément les putains. Je les trouve merveilleuses.
Mais j'en suis désolé, la petite là-bas, c'est la syphilis.
Si nous ne brûlons pas, comment éclairer la nuit?
La maison, elle doit fermer? Je sais pas. Et ce soir, il va falloir montrer un peu de joie, s'il vous plaît.
Yes, madame.
Musik, bitte.
This is a song about a bad girl. Something that happened to me a long time ago. Everybody was telling me how the little girl was running around. But I had a head of my own. And I just wouldn't listen to nobody. My father, he told me, my mother said I would cry. So son, this woman will break your heart. And then she'll put you down.
Pour suivre, suivre une bien belle comédie sentimentale comme on les aime avec Crazy Stupid Love, ou l'histoire d'un homme marié, alias le très drôle Steve Carell, qui va devoir redécouvrir comment plaire aux femmes. Pourquoi ? Parce que son épouse, interprétée par la belle Julianne Moore, vient de lui avouer qu'elle le trompe. Séparation, divorce, le voilà obligé de chercher l'âme sœur alors qu'il est à côté de ses pompes. Heureusement, il va rencontrer Don Juan qui va lui expliquer, comment faire.
25 years of marriage and you have nothing to say? I'll just say it. I slept with someone.
If you keep talking, I'm gonna get out of the car.
I think the fact that I did it, it just shows how broken we are.
Okay.
And how much we really... Oh my God, Cal!
You're getting a divorce?
Yeah.
Amy heard you crying in the bathroom. We all thought it was cancer.
Oh.
Thank God, man.
Yeah, that's my relationship.
Hi, can I buy you a drink?
Uh-huh.
Let's get out of here. Want to get out of here? What are you doing later?
I don't know.
I do. There's lots of beautiful women in this bar, but I can't take my eyes off of you.
It's time to go home.
Oh, it's forward of you, but okay.
Yeah.
Should I pull the car around? Have you been drinking? I'll drive.
Hey, ladies man guy. Any tips of the trade?
Your wife cheated on you because you lost sight of who you are as a man. Why don't you take that straw out of your mouth? It looks like you're sucking on it.
Okay.
You're sitting there with a Supercuts haircut, and you're wearing a 44 when you should be wearing a 42 regular. Credit card. Where are your wallets?
Would you sleep with me?
Jeez, God.
Yeah, probably.
You would?
You gotta take control of your manhood, pal.
Can you put on some clothes, please?
Oh, I'm sorry, is this bothering you? Beautiful.
Looking at me. Look at that.
What do you want to do with me?
I want to show you off to my ex-wife to make her really jealous. Oh, man.
I met a girl, and she is a game changer.
She's your soulmate, right? Go get her back.
Wow, how old are you?
I'm in love with her, and I don't know what to do about it.
I don't know when you and I stopped being us. You know, when I told you that I had to work late, I really went to see the new Twilight movie by myself. And it was so bad.
I should have fought for you.
Take off your shirt.
Why?
Will you take off your shirt? Seriously? It's like you're photoshopped.
Encore une belle comédie de mœurs avec le nouveau Gus Van Sant qui, quand il ne répond pas aux sirènes d'Hollywood, il est capable du meilleur et du plus culotté. Dans Ritless, deux jeunes gens qui côtoient la mort, lui celle de ses parents, elle la sienne, vont se découvrir et apercevoir ensemble le ciel bleu. Regardez.
I met a boy.
Really?
Yeah, I met him at Chris's memorial.
Do I know you?
Does anybody here know you? He was kind of different.
Different can be good.
This is the 4th funeral I've seen you at this month. And if I see you around here again, I'm calling the cops and I'm going to tell all the...
This is my boyfriend, Marcus.
Nice to meet you, Marcus.
Pleasure's all yours, I'm sure. Thanks for bailing me out back there. I'm Enoch.
I'm Annabelle.
Did you know that kid from the other funeral?
Oh, yeah, I volunteer at the hospital.
Come on, Riot!
Do you know one of these kids?
No. Hiroshi and I just like to...
Who's Hiroshi?
He's a... ghost.
He's a ghost. Can I meet him?
Why is she dressed like a boy? He says he thinks you look really nice. No, I didn't.
Thank you, Hiroshi. So do you want to talk about Enoch? It's getting pretty complicated. I was lying about working at the hospital. I'm a patient. Is that okay?
Make her better.
I don't think you understand.
Make her better!
There's this kind of songbird that thinks it dies every time the sun goes down. In the morning when it wakes up, it's totally shocked to still be alive. So it sings this really beautiful song. I've sung every morning since I met you.
Rayon DVD maintenant, si vous êtes romantique, ne manquez pas Lullaby qui vous attend comme nouveauté. J'ai adoré ce film qui marie un beau scénario et plein de petites trouvailles. Rupert Friend, Clémence Poésy et le grand Forest Whitaker vous racontent une belle histoire qui mêle musique et chagrin d'amour dans un paysage urbain américain rempli de musique jazz. Attention, ce film contient de très grands moments.
Come on, Sam, sing something for us. You can't keep on like this. Josephine wouldn't have wanted that.
Hey, Sam.
Good night, Josephine.
I'm Sam. I'm not sure I caught your name.
Hi, like the number.
Your name is 3.141 something?
No, just pi.
She had the key to my door, George.
That would never get a wrong key, did
What are you waiting for locked up in this room?
it? He comes here to remember his wife.
Hi.
I've been writing on these walls. And then I would paint them immediately.
I don't know how you managed to stay behind that door and not go psycho.
No! I don't want you to talk. I'd just like to hear your voice. Just to know I'm not alone.
Come out, Myra. Come on.
I can't get him to forget her.
See that you need him as much as he needs you. I know where she works if you want.
Now you tell me.
I had to make sure that you were ready. Now you're ready.
Parmi les films les plus attendus, celui de Steven Spielberg, encore lui, détient la palme puisque le réalisateur-producteur en parle depuis maintenant 25 ans. Nous découvrirons le 26 octobre ce fameux secret de la licorne. Mais d'ici là, nous allons devoir nous contenter d'une bande-annonce très bien réalisée. Jugez plutôt.
Snowy, look at this. The unicorn. That's a very unique specimen, that is. Finest ship has ever sailed the 7 seas.
How much for the boat?
It's not for sale.
You're about to walk into a whole mess of danger.
Something happened on this ship. What secrets do you hold? What's this? That model ship conceals a clue to one of the greatest treasures in all history. Good boy, Snowy. Are you going to take charge of this evidence?
Never fear, Tintin. The evidence is safe with us.
Thompson, where are you?
Oh, well, I'm already downstairs. Do try to keep up.
He has no idea what's coming. You know the value of that scroll. I will find it, with or without your help.
Thanks from Tintin, by the way.
Haddock. Archibald Haddock.
Find them.
Find them both.
Put your hands up. You do know what you're doing, eh?
Relax. I interviewed a pilot once.
I swear I'll find that treasure before him.
What have you done?
A little wee fire.
In a boat! Well, this is a fine mess.
Nobody takes my ship.
This may sound crazy, but I've got a plan.
Excellent.
Land! We're not there yet!
No! Land!
Did you hit anything?
Oh, dear. I won't Tintin!
Turn back.
Voilà, Ciné Clip Clap, c'est tout pour cette semaine, mais avouez que c'était pas mal, non? Je vous retrouve la semaine prochaine avec Bouli Lanners qui vous parlera de son dernier film en tant que réalisateur et qui fera l'ouverture du FIF de Namur où nous irons faire un petit tour. Mais d'ici là, je vous souhaite un bon cinéma et une belle évasion sur Liberty TV.